10 out of 10, exceptional, excellent service, friendly staff, convenient location, room was excellent, very clean and quiet. They are just a few of the 10 out of 10 reviews about this Holiday Inn. There are some poor reviews though, 2 out of 10, average at best. And according to an anonymous reviewer, this is the worst hotel in the world. According to hotels.com, this one is a 4-star upscale hotel with a restaurant. Let's go and see what we think. Good start, Holiday Inn.
Bed bugs.
That deserves a star off.
Oh, that is filthy.
That's a bit rusty though, isn't it? Look at that. In a 4-star hotel in 2023, really? This is actually really big. Bed was comfortable, view could be better. Would you stay at Holiday Inn again?
Come on in.
Wow, that line's harsh.
It is very harsh.
Now, before we do anything else, Josh has been absolutely dying to find out what is in this bag that is waiting for us on the bed. It says Alexander Dennis on the front. He's also convinced I know what it is. I have no idea.
Absolutely no idea what it is.
Go on then, dig in, let's see what we've got.
Dig in.
It's going to be something really underwhelming.
It is, it's
isn't
going to be some sort of body wash, some sort of something.
What's that?
Don't know, there's an envelope. That's
Have we won the lottery?
That would be lovely.
I love it when you come into hotel rooms though and you've got something like this, you just don't know what it is, even though Josh still believes I know what it is. What is that?
It is a pleasure to have you to join us at the launch of our next generation of buses. This is very random.
Huh?
Please consider these gifts as a gesture of appreciation.
Do you know what? There's a conference centre here. We've just walked past and there's literally a conference going on. They must have just put these in loads of rooms.
Ooh!
What have we got?
Some sort of electrical thing for the car.
Oh, like a different charging lead. So it's got like Android
Oh!
and...
This is a charging lead.
Don't expect this with all Holiday Inn rooms. I think this is just
I'll take that.
probably an accident, let's face it.
I'll take that. Do you like
Socks?
socks?
You're gonna make it. They are very loud.
They're very loud.
Wow.
Okay,
make
and
this up,
one more.
could you?
Oh, this is really heavy.
What is that?
That's a power bank.
What?
Oh my god, it's a power bank.
Do they think we're here for the conference? Literally,
They must be.
I've booked this through hotels.com. Why would we be here for the
This must be
conference?
an error, surely.
It must be an error, but we're all for it. Well, thank you, Alexander Dennis, whoever you are.
It's got buses on it.
We love your buses. We absolutely adore them.
This is going in the car before they figure us out.
So Josh has just noticed on the power bank that it says the launch was actually yesterday. So they obviously booked out a load of hotel rooms yesterday and didn't use them. And they'd had a load of these bags left over. So Holiday Inn have probably just left them in here for guests arriving, and we've got one. Don't expect this at every Holiday Inn, just a little caveat. Now we've got that bit of excitement out of the way, it's time for the room tour. Right, so the main room. First impressions, it looks clean, and I'm pleased to report there's 2 chairs. That's one of our biggest bugbears at a hotel, when it's a room for 2 and they give you 1 chair. So good start, Holiday Inn. We've got 2 chairs, one at this like desk space where you can sit and do some work. Clearly been inspired by Pixar because it's got a very Pixar looking lamp on it.
I don't know. Oh!
The other chair over in the corner, like a little armchair with a giant Pixar lamp behind it. Some nice artwork. I love it when they have artwork local to the hotel. Farnborough Airport is literally just down the road from here. Hello, sunshine. That's all I've got. The bed looks really comfy actually. Now, we have messed the bed up a little bit because we were just checking for bed bugs. There's a lot going on at the moment, you know, so we just got that out of the way. But it looks very comfy, and I noticed when we were checking as well, the mattress says it's a Hypnose bed. I think that's what Premier Inn use. So should hopefully be comfortable, and nice little touch as well, the pillows. There was a sign when we arrived that one of these pillows is hard and one of them is soft, so you can choose which one you prefer.
I like that.
That's a nice touch because I'm definitely a soft pillow, and I think you like more firm pillows.
It depends.
Well, you've got a choice.
I don't like to lay on a hard pillow. I like to lay on a soft one, but I like to hug a firm one.
Well, don't we all? Anyway, moving swiftly on. Something I have noticed is there is a lot of charging points, a lot of outlets. There's like 8 normal sockets and as many USBs, couple next to the bed, more over by the workstation. The one thing that I find really weird in here though, there's no actual light in this main room.
Yeah, that's a bit weird.
The lighting is really weird. There's like a little silver lamp, a reading sort of lamp either side of the bed. Then you've got this weird giant Pixar lamp behind this chair. And then you've got the orange Pixar lamp over on the desk and like a little uplighter thing behind the TV, but no actual light. So it took me a little while to figure out when we arrived in here how to turn the bloody lights on and where they all were. I'm sure it's fine. Once they're all on, it's going to be difficult to turn them all off when you want to go to bed though, isn't it? You're going to have to like do a round.
That'll be your job.
Thanks. And then if you follow me this way, you've got the tea and coffee station. Very important is the coffee station for us. You always know when you're in a bit more of a bougie hotel, when they put little paper things over the tops of the mugs and the glasses. You don't get that in a Premier Inn and a Travel Lodge, but you do at a Holiday Inn. That makes it bougie. Still only got Nescafe original coffee though. That deserves a star off.
The light
turns on as you open it. I didn't know that. There's a few hangers in here. There's extra towels. I think there's only one in the bathroom, so that's not an extra towel, that's one of our towels. Hairdryer, iron, and ironing board. Now, fun fact, I read a review about this hotel before we got here. In fact, I read many reviews about this hotel, but one I thought was quite funny, that they'd given it a 2-star review because the iron was dirty, and when they ironed their shirt for work, it made their shirt dirty, and the hotel didn't have a washing machine to wash their other shirt. So I was like, was that really their fault? And that's pretty much it for the main area. It's not that big. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be. I think we've had Premier Inn rooms bigger than this.
We have.
But the fact it's got 2 chairs, nice touch. Over to you for your area of expertise, or should I say expertise?
Cheeky, but yeah.
Cheeky.
Cheeky. Get it? Oh, that was worrying. We keep doing that. First things first, trip hazard. Right there.
Should be painted yellow, not grey with you around.
Yellow. I would trip over that.
You trip over anything.
Very tiny.
It is small, isn't it?
This is tiny, look.
Yeah, there's not much space. I think because the door opens into the bathroom as well, that does take up quite a bit of room.
So if I wanted to sit on the throne and you wanted to go in the bath or wash your hands, brush your teeth, there's no room.
That's not going to happen. I ain't going in there while you're sitting on the throne.
But there is a huge mirror.
There is. It is very large.
Which makes it a little bit bigger.
Oh, more glasses with little paper things over the top, just to keep on the bougie theme.
Keep on the bougie. Not very clean though. Oh, that is filthy.
Oh.
Sweetie. That is filthy. I don't know if you can see that.
Oh.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
That's not
That's grim. That looks like toothpaste.
I'm not going to use that.
It's no good putting a paper thing over the top if the glass is dirty, is it?
I'm not going to be drinking out of that one.
They're different as well. Them 2 glasses are completely different.
Oh.
That's like a little half-pint glass that you get in a pub.
This one's spotless though.
I think that's possibly one of the weirdest towel rails I've ever seen.
It is. It's really tiny, isn't it?
It is.
Really
is it
tiny.
heated? I don't.
No.
It's
It's
just a
freezing
towel
cold.
rail.
But they have a bath, so I'm happy.
That's a bit rusty though, isn't it? Look at that.
I know, I was looking at that.
Shower head looks clean. The shower head looks decent, to be fair.
Oh, it looks pretty new actually.
Bottom of the bath, I'm not quite so sure about.
Don't say that, because I've got to get in there.
Well, you can rinse it before you get in it. I've got to say though.
No, I'm not feeling this.
Yeah. Shower curtains like this in a 4-star hotel in 2023. Really? I mean, no, they're grim, aren't they?
These are riddled with bacteria and I don't like them.
Something else that I don't like as well is these.
No, they're disgusting.
I know it's for health and safety, like anti-slip or whatever, but this has got anti-slip stuff on the bottom of it. Bougie toiletries though. Oh look, purple kale shampoo and parsley stem hand and body wash.
Oh, my locks will be shining in the morning. Alright, take it.
So there is a gym. We're going to go and check it out. You have to put your key here, Josh.
Bougie.
This is actually really big.
It's huge.
Like, it's a bit of a basement gym, but it goes all the way around the corner here. There's exercise bikes, there's rowing machines up there. Oh Josh, you could weigh yourself if you wanted to.
Oh, I don't know about that.
It is huge. There's 3 running machines, there's this big weight thing. We just saw the security guard upstairs and he told us it's actually open from 8 in the morning until, well, he said 10 in the afternoon. I'm assuming he meant 10 at night.
I'll take that. Yeah, right.
Ceiling's not very high. These are 2 kilos. It's like carrying a bag of sugar around.
Did you used to do these?
We've got them at home, we just probably need to start again. Now this is my kind of workout machine. Free water. Yes please.
Oh, I like free water.
There, take a cup. Oh, yeah, she's working. Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
Money saving tip.
Today's top
Don't
tip.
go and buy a bottle of water at the bar, come down to the gym. It's heavy this is a
cold.
workout.
And it's cold.
It is. Bed comfy,
Yeah.
sleep tight.
Good night.
Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Bed bugs. We're itching all night now.
Okay, now that we've actually slept here the night, we can tell you what we really think of this Holiday Inn room. Bed was comfortable, little too firm for my liking, but each to their own.
I'm pleased to report I didn't get bitten.
Nice hat.
Oh. Wow.
Shower, 10 out of 10, would recommend. View could be better. I assume that green bag is laundry and not an expired person. But let's talk about the most important thing. We've just been for breakfast.
Oh, the breakfast. Now, I'm going to say about this breakfast, it's probably one of the best I've been to.
I would say it's probably one of the better hotel ones we've had in the UK, definitely. Nice hot selection of food, cereals and different bits to pick from. Nice array of like fruit and yogurt and stuff. Green beans is a bit weird though for breakfast, isn't it?
Yeah, it
Who
doesn't.
eats green beans for breakfast? And then of course, importantly for us, coffee, and you can get it to take away, so we bought an extra one back to the room as well. Mm-hmm. And we did see as well that breakfast is normally $16.95 each, but because we booked it in advance with our room rate, I think we actually got it for 12 quid each. I think that's a bargain. So what do you think? Would you stay at Holiday Inn again?
100%.
Good, I think I would as well. Hopefully they're all like this. Or better. We're always up for better.
I hope they're better. I mean, no, you know what I mean.